And the point of days like today are that you realize that that barrier is something that you were taught to think was true, and it's not true, and that that room is for you, and that you have a seat at that table. So hearing that from someone that they broke through that barrier today and really had that realization was really powerful for me, because that's why we do what we do. That's why we come here and try and get everybody out to realize that your voice is equal to anybody else's. You just have to make it through the door.
¿Qué es lo que queremos? ¿Cuándo?
The purpose of today is to elevate student leaders, advance our policy agenda, and build our collective power. We are here to shift the narrative away from cuts and toward a bold investment in students, our communities, and in our futures.
And then we're going to go into a policy conversation. We're going to share a little bit more details on some of the specific policies that we're advocating for.
I want the senators now to think of their kids, of the future generation, of the communities that they say that they want to help strive to grow and strive for. I want them to think about how they can help progress our way into the future, and that their investment into our education will be investment into growing their communities and Washington State as a whole. Thank you.
It's mostly like we are going there to show out our necessities and to share the histories.
So seeing you guys going to the Capitol Hall and like talking to the legislative assistants, the representatives and all that is really, really beneficial, not just for me or for you guys.
My parents have made it known to me that college should be my right, not a privilege that I should earn. They have immigrated from Nigeria to Canada to the United States because they believe that they want their children to have a real chance at education.
Uno de nosotros transformamos el miedo en voz.
It kind of inspired me to maybe try to do more with this.
Sí se puede, sí se puede.